Hello and welcome to Piko Tutorials. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to add cameras to a layout, edit a layout, and also share a layout. So you'll start with obviously grabbing the cameras that you'd like to add to your unique layout. From there, you'll go up and where it says New Layout, you'll right-click on that, select Save Layout As, and name it whatever you'd like. In this instance, I'll name it Test Layout. So I can go ahead, since it's saved, close out of this test layout. Now I'll go down to my layouts, and as you can see, when I double click, test layout is now there. If you'd like to share this layout with an individual in your organization, what you'd need to do is simply just drag this layout into that individual's name. So say I want to share it with Austin today. Now when I go back up to my layouts, as you can see, there's a shared icon next to that layout. If I wanted Austin to not be able to make any changes to this layout, I simply right-click, go to Layout Settings, select Locked, and now you can see there's a lock icon on that specific layout. That means that Austin can only view this layout. He does not have the ability to make any changes. But say there was additional cameras I'd like to add to this layout. You simply go back to the layout settings, unlock the layout, go back up to your cameras, add the additional cameras that you'd like to have in your layout, go back up to your test layout, save the layout again, go back down to your layouts, lock it again via the layout settings, and you are good to go. Thank you for watching Piko Tutorials. If you would like to watch more how-to videos around Piko, please click here for our tutorial channel. Or you can visit us here at pikovms.com for more documentation and downloads.